This is basically the DS6000 calibration kit. It is also applicable to 4000 series scopes. It comes with a PCB with BNC connectors, 6 BNC connectors, and with 6 cables to connect this PCB to your scope. Here actually what they're trying to do, they're trying to take the calibration output from the scope to this connector, and they're trying to equally divide that calibration signal to all 5 channels. So when I say 5 channels, I mean 4 oscilloscope channels and 1 external trigger input. These cables are 50 ohms. So because of that, they have routed the tracks in this funny way to maintain a 50 ohms impedance. Because if they have a some other impedance, what will happen? There will be standing waves, and you will not get the calibration signal very well to these 5 channels. So 6 BNC connectors or BNC jacks on this PCB, as you can see. I got this kit for free. This is actually loan kit from Rigol, because my scope is under warranty. They sent me this kit so I can use this for my calibration and send it back to Rigol. I'll show you in few moments how we are going to calibrate the Rigol scope using this DS6000 calibration kit. You need to connect the trigger out or the calibration output of the scope to the PCB. And then connect all the 6 channels coming from the PCB. 5 channels coming from the PCB onto your scope, and switch on the calibration. In a short while I'll show you how to switch on the calibration. Once the cables are connected, it's very easy. Here you can see the calibration signal coming from the calibration out of the scope on the oscilloscope screen. What you have to do is you go to utility and press self calibration button over here, and then the scope will ask you it will ask you to connect the it says please connect the calibration signal to all input channels and the external input trigger. So it asks you to connect the calibration signal to all the 5 channels of the scope, and press start. So once you press start, you can see the oscilloscope it tries to calibrate. You can see it goes from one channel to another, calibrating, and this process will take some time. What I will do, I'll post this video right now, and once it's about to finish, I'll start recording, so you will see how to finish the whole thing. Okay, as you can see, it has done the calibration, and the scope says calibration is finished, and please restart the scope. So I'll restart the scope right now. Once you restart the scope, all your channels should work properly, like because they have been calibrated. And so that's how you calibrate your MSO Rigol MSO4000 scope. Thanks for watching the video, and please like us on YouTube, and if you have not subscribed Retentronics, please do so.